Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to put Tesla Model S in neutral, updated. Hold the brake, press the gear selector toward neutral, and watch the instrument cluster confirm neutral. Only release the brake when the cluster shows neutral and it is safe to move. Use transport mode for towing and consult towing guidelines. Always set the parking brake and use wheel chocks on slopes before exiting the vehicle. Before you drive in neutral, double-check the instrument cluster shows neutral and that steering and brakes feel normal. If the car behaves oddly, return to park and stop to diagnose. Avoid shifting to neutral while traveling at high speed and never use neutral as a substitute for braking. Remember that region is reduced in neutral, so expect different deceleration and plan stops earlier to maintain safety and control. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making practical EV content. Quick recommendation: Robot Face upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Voice control makes home life easier after a day of car maintenance. It's a small upgrade that saves time and keeps floors tidy while you focus on the car. Check the description for the link and deals, then now let's get back to the video. If neutral won't engage, bring the vehicle to a complete stop and shift to park, then try neutral again while holding the brake. Watch for software alerts that may require a system reboot or settings check. For persistent issues or unclear towing steps, call roadside or service support. Always prioritize safety. Use wheel chocks, set the parking brake, and avoid leaving the vehicle unattended while it is in neutral to prevent unintended rollaway.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.